Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to Show and Tell number 171. So before I forget, you guys, I hope y'all have an amazing Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm not sure if I'm going to have an upload next week. I would hope to, but I almost didn't get a video up for today. So it's just busy. It's busy. Banner is on the mend. He seems to be moving a lot better. He seems to be a lot more comfortable. However, he still has a lot of instability in the back of his legs. So he right now is on a anti-inflammatory and a painkiller still to kind of help with that, but it's very stressful. We had a little bit of a scare where he took a little bit of a tumble down the stairs, so we can't keep him just downstairs because he won't just stay down here when he feels well. So even if we stay down here more often, so. Coffee. As the title of this video says, the primary point of this video is going to end up being a mail call between acquisitions and subscriber mail beautiful Christmas cards from you guys. And I do have one project that I've been working on. It's the only project I've worked on all week, and I'm a day behind already. So, but it doesn't look like much because of the way this is done. So this is my What Tomorrow Brings shawl by Telly Bean Knits, and this is the bottom edge on the needle, so you can see where I'm working down the bottom edge, adding on this border. Let's see if I can bring in just a little bit on that. So we've got this beautiful texture border going. We have this inset I-cord detail here with the slip stitch detail going up, breaking this up into thirds. And this is the top edge of the shawl. So this is the first direction set, the second direction set, and then that. But trying to show you guys what this is looking like, it kind of looks like an amorphous blob. So there's not really a whole lot to say about it other than this is where I am. I've finished day 20 and I'm working on day 21. And I need to take this detail all the way down to here. So I have like another 100 and probably 10 stitches, 105 stitches left to decrease as I attach the border. So it's like 110 rows to do today to catch up. We'll see. I probably will not finish today. And I'm starting to think I will not get this done in time to wear to Christmas Mass, because after that, I also have like 40 rows left to do on the other side of the shawl. So anyway, progress. And this is, once again, using Peyton's Glam Stripes. This is the color gray. It is a sport weight yarn. I'm still doing the size 4 needles for this, just because that's what I had. I couldn't find fingering weight yarn I wanted to do the project in. I thought I had 3 of a Cascade Heritage that I really wanted to use because it's got like kind of a self-striping thing going in it too. But I couldn't find that. I have 2 of this, which is a Vitalana Glam Sock. That would have been beautiful, but I needed 3. I was even looking at like, could I maybe like tie in like something like this, which is a Florian Fortescue from Lolo Did It. Couldn't make it work. In my mind, I couldn't make it work. Now, I will definitely be remaking this pattern, so I am thinking maybe going up to a worsted weight yarn would be really fun, and then just have this like uber huge squishy thing. But I want to see how big this actually blocks in the clam stripes. So, Anyhoo. That is the only project I've worked on. I didn't even finish a corner to corner square this week. It's just been that busy at home, and I've had to run a lot of errands out on my own, not sitting in the car with Troy. So I just realized I didn't put all my jewelry on. Good morning. definitely still in need of coffee. So I have some really cool things to show you guys in my acquisitions, but first I want to do subscriber mail. First up, it's subscriber and YouTube friend mail. We have a card from Laurel at the Dabbling Hook. I love her cards with her little Amis. So I'm really excited about this card. This is from Laura, and I shared Laura's Thanksgiving card as well. And can I just say, I'm loving watching the progress in the different things you're trying with your cards. We have beautiful stamping on the inside as well. This is from Sunny over at the North Country Knitter. I absolutely love this card. It is gorgeous. I might have to put this in one of my frames, little frames. This is from Cindy at Cindy Hertz Crochet. I would have done these like I've done other ones where like I just stack them on top of their envelope, but I had 9 cards and I didn't want to get things shuffled and mistaken. And then I've already read all these. I've opened all these. They all mean so much to me, but I did want to leave them in the envelopes. This is from Dorcas. This is from Mr. Gary over at Urban Yarn. And I can't pick a favorite. I am really, really, really struggling to pick a favorite on this one. I really love the ear hats. I really love those. And for some reason, they're just adorable. It's so hard. It's so hard. They're all adorable. They're all adorable. I kind of want to make all the hats. I love the yellow and blue. I'm sure there's a pattern like that out there. This card is from Lisa. We have another beautiful handmade card. And I recognize that that looks like the Safe Freeze Recollections paper pack, which I have like 3 years worth of the Safe Freeze collections, and I love them. They're precious. I used one last year, actually. This is from Auntie Vernon. Thank you so much, Tony. Look at the key cat. Key cat face. See? Boop. And last up, I have a card from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. And he is also adorable. Thank you guys so much. I love getting mail. I love getting cards, and the handmade cards in particular just make me so happy. I love seeing what you guys make. I love seeing when you post in the Facebook group. I love seeing when you tag me on Instagram, and I love seeing all the beautiful things out there that you guys are doing. Next, let's get on to the big package first. So while I will not be doing things like an advent calendar from Aberdeen Wool Co., I will still order from them. And they have some really amazing deals at times, even having it sent down here to the States. So if you're Canadian, check out Aberdeen Wool Company. They have some fantastic deals. The hand-dyed yarn is spectacular. I love the music themes personally. But yeah. So they were doing another bag of yarn sale. So I purchased one of those, but in order to get to my free shipping mark, you know, I just had to order some other things. So first off, I ordered this Regia sock yarn, and that is actually the pattern this will create. I know a couple of you guys have asked about the yellow thread. The yellow thread actually marks where to start your socks. So there's 2 socks in this skein of yarn, and you start on the other side of this yellow and work until the other yellow string. That way you have matching socks. I also got this from KFI Collection. This is Painted Sock. And I've gotten these before. I end up gifting them every time I buy them. I love them so much, and they work up so beautifully. Anybody I think who might enjoy making socks, I end up gifting the ones that I buy, because it's just like, here, enjoy it too, because I love these. Anyway, so what I actually ordered, the whole point to the order was actually a 10-pack of this Barocco Ultra Wool hand painted. And I looked at it worked up in a couple of different places, and I was, you know, I have to always double check to make sure the price is actually worth it. It was definitely worth it for this. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. I did order, I think it's 10 balls. Came in the thing. Oh, there's a thank you card down here. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. I didn't plan on ordering more yarn this year, but some of these end of the year sales have been pretty awesome. And then once again, Cheryl over at Hypnotic Yarns. If you're familiar with my sharing this year of my subscription boxes, this is also Yarnable. She dyed up a whole bunch of spectacular stuff, and I just happened to catch it. See, I buy more from Nikki too, but I always miss when Nikki does her upload. So that, like, I've gotten like one order placed before it sells out. What I want sells out. Cheryl I've been catching recently for some reason. I have no idea why. And this one I shouldn't have been able to get because what I wanted was there coming home from church, and then I forgot to go place my order until much later on, and I'm surprised it was still there. So anyway, first off, we have a hot cocoa stick. And then next, the yarn. The yarn, you guys, the yarn. So this is a Friendly Ghost Plush DK. I don't know why I love this. This is the whole reason why I placed the order, which is going to surprise you when you see what else I got. But this was the whole reason I placed the order. I absolutely love the way this yarn looks. I don't know why. It spoke to me and said, buy me, own me, cherish me. Up next, something I wouldn't have expected to have loved, but I do, is this butternut. I did not mean to pull the label off, but, and look at the beautiful, it almost reminds me of like a calico cat. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Absolutely love it. And then this is the one that's going to be like, and you place the order for those, not this. I got this beautiful sock set. This is Atomic Turquoise. And so you would think this is what made me place the order. The other things were other things I happen to like. No, this I just happened to like, but I was really ordering the Friendly Ghost, and then I really wanted the butternut squash. And then we also got a little cake sack. It's flat on the bottom to perfectly fit your little cake of yarn. And it's got an elastic top, which I really like. I do not have one with an elastic top. Almost all of mine have tie tops or open tops. So we'll see how this works. But I did love the sock set. I mean, obviously, it's once again in the Carrie wheelhouse of colors. Why wouldn't I love it? So, but Friendly Ghost is what made me do it. And then I really wanted butternut. I've got another yarn I think this will pair very nicely with, and that's one of the things I was thinking about. And actually, I think it might be another Hypnotic yarn. But I was thinking this would pair nicely with something else, and then I was also thinking, but it would kind of be nice to have some funky socks. I almost never use my beautiful hand-dyed yarns to make socks. I always end up making shawls and scarves and hats with it because I want to show it off, and my socks are just for me. But so anyway, that's what we got. It's actually a very quick and easy video today. I will have a whole bunch of pictures here at the end. I will next week share the daily pictures I've been sharing on Instagram. I'll try to do like 7 days at a time slides of the progress on my Advent shawl, so you can watch how that came together if you haven't been following me on Instagram with it. But got stuck. Sorry about that. I am using my needle stoppers that I got in my subscription boxes for last month. So We'll also have the unboxing of my ALC and my hypnotic yarn coming up, or my Yarnable. Yarnable is supposed to be here on Saturday. I believe ALC will be here on like Friday-ish. So next Saturday, hopefully, or the following Tuesday, we will have the subscription box unboxing. And I've got to get to it and figure out what I'm going to start unboxing in the new year. So lots of little things to do. But at the end of this, we will have pet tax. I will share pictures of the cats. There's some awfully cute pictures of Banner because he did an awful lot of cuddling in the last week. So anyway, you guys, I love you and I will see you real soon. Have a Merry Christmas. Please take care of yourselves. And if I don't see you face to face between now and the new year, I hope that 2023 brings you and your families nothing but blessings and joy. I love you guys and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.